Hi, this is Gina Newby with Crisis Cleanup. This is a very short tutorial. If you have been experiencing any phone not playing nice issues or having trouble with phone calls coming through. So when you click the yellow Take Calls button, you can receive both live calls and callback calls. And this bug, which we're trying to figure out, we think sometimes gets messed up because you're receiving both types of calls. So we've added this checkbox, the not playing nice checkbox. And if you click on it, you can click on these double triangles and you can choose to either receive live calls. Inbound only means live calls, and outbound only means callback calls. So just choose one or the other. And then click Take Calls and see if this helps to reduce the number of phone issues you're having, or maybe even eliminates that issue. Hopefully it will. We would like to know what happens for you when you do this. You can put that information in the phone chat or send us a help desk ticket through the yellow help button here at the bottom left of your screen. And hopefully this will help us out until we can figure out this pesky bug. Thank you.